Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best zero-turn seat is probably one of the most important components of a zero-turn mower, impacting your comfort, productivity, and overall mowing experience. A high-quality seat can significantly reduce fatigue during long mowing sessions, while a poorly designed seat can lead to discomfort and even back pain. In this video, we will explore the key features and considerations to help you choose the perfect seat for your zero-turn mower, ensuring a comfortable and efficient mowing experience. Number 5. TRAC Seat Suspension Kit. Experience the ultimate comfort and support with our innovative suspension kit. Say goodbye to jarring rides and hello to a smoother, more enjoyable mowing experience. It significantly reduces vibrations and shocks, making long hours of operation less tiring. Enjoy a more comfortable ride, no matter the terrain. With reduced fatigue, you'll maintain better control and precision while mowing. This leads to a more efficient and safer operation. This kit is designed to fit a wide range of zero-turn lawn mowers, including popular brands like John Deere, Hustler, TRAC, Kubota, and Exmark. Check compatibility before purchasing. It's built with high-quality materials for lasting durability. Plus, it comes with a 1-year warranty for your peace of mind. This kit is designed for easy installation, saving you time and effort. Detailed instructions are included to guide you through the process. What we like. This kit offers a comfortable ride and is compatible with various popular zero-turn mower brands. If you own a John Deere, Hustler, TRAC, Kubota, or Exmark mower and want a smoother ride, this is a great option. Its 1-year warranty provides peace of mind. What people say. It raises the set a few inches, but that is not an issue. The first use after installation was amazing. Instead of being jarred incessantly on bumpy ground, the ride was much more comfortable. First of all, this thing is made well. The plate and springs are thick and the finish is nice. It's a heavy piece, but you can install it alone. It made a huge difference in the ride of the mower. Installing the seat was very simple. It added about 4-ish inches of height to the seat with the spacers I added to the top and bottom. Overall, the ride quality has increased greatly. It'll smooth out most smaller bumps. Number 4. TRAC Seat Suspension Kit. Experience superior comfort while mowing. This kit transforms your seat into a smooth, comfortable ride. It's designed for a direct fit on most models. However, you may need spacers depending on your mower's specific seat. Ensure it fits your model before purchase. Contact us if you have any questions about compatibility. This kit mounts between your seat and sliding rails, providing a smoother, more comfortable ride. It's adjustable to your weight for a customized ride. Supports up to 275 pounds. It's made in the USA and comes with a 1-year warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This suspension kit provides a smooth ride for your bad boy zero-turn mower. If you need your order quickly, same-day shipping is a huge advantage. It's perfect for those who need a quick fix for a more comfortable mowing experience. What people say. It completely surpassed my expectations. I have a couple bad discs in my lower back and mow several acres of wildland. It's not smooth anywhere. Without this seat suspension, 1 hour of mowing and I couldn't stand up straight or walk normal for 15 minutes. With this setup, I can mow for hours without grimacing in pain at all. It was actually easy to install and the ride it gives is night and day. I mean, absolutely night and day. The mower seat is actually pretty comfortable to ride now. Actual use is this gives me enough extra movement I don't feel like I get beat on after zooming around mowing. I run it at max speed when I mow the flat areas. But I'm out in the country and don't have a smooth yard. So, this does help me mowing. Number 3. TRAC Seat Suspension Kit. Experience a smoother, more comfortable ride on your zero-turn mower. This kit is designed to significantly reduce vibrations and bumps during operation. It's important to check compatibility before purchasing. This kit may not fit all models of the listed brands. Contact us if you have any questions. It mounts easily between your seat and sliding rails. You may need spacers for proper clearance on some models. Say goodbye to a jarring ride. It provides superior comfort and reduces fatigue during long mowing sessions. This kit is manufactured with pride in the USA, ensuring high-quality materials and construction. Transform your mowing experience with this simple upgrade. Enjoy a more comfortable and efficient workday. What we like. This kit is designed for a wide range of zero-turn mowers, ensuring a comfortable ride. If you own a Snapper, Ferris, Cub Cadet, or similar mower, and value American-made products, this is an excellent choice. Its broad compatibility makes it a versatile option for many users. What people say. The improvement in a ride is exactly what I was hoping for. The sturdy spring suspension in the unit absorbs the bumps in an imperfect lawn, allowing you to mow faster, and in comfort. Even in places that I considered to be smooth when I mowed them before, now you can feel the suspension system at work smoothing out the bumps you hadn't realized were even there before, and on the real bumpy bits you can really feel those springs going to work. Has made a good ride even better for my 70-plus-year-old back. Number 2. ANI Gray High Back Seat. This seat is designed to provide superior comfort and support while operating your Hustler ZTR zero-turn lawn mower. Enjoy a more comfortable and productive mowing experience. It features a high back design that cradles your back, reducing fatigue during long hours of operation. Experience the difference a comfortable seat can make. Built to withstand the rigors of daily use, it's made from high-quality materials for lasting performance. It's designed to stand up to the elements and provide years of reliable service. This seat is designed for easy installation on your Hustler ZTR mower. You'll be enjoying increased comfort in no time. Transform your mowing experience with this superior seat. Increase comfort and productivity with this simple upgrade. It seamlessly integrates with your Hustler ZTR, providing a perfect blend of comfort and functionality. Make your mowing more enjoyable. What we like. This high-back seat provides excellent support and comfort during extended mowing sessions. If you own a Hustler ZTR mower and prioritize comfort and back support, this seat is an ideal upgrade. The gray color adds a touch of style to your machine. What people say. Mower seat is still on my Husqvarna RZ4623 and looked just as good as the day I got it in the mail. All the seat attachment nut-cert bolts have held up great. No tears or damage at all to the actual material. It worked very well for me. I was worried about it fitting my time cutter 16.42Z, but all holes in seat matched up with all my old parts. They are well constructed and have lots of bolt patterns for assembly to almost everything. Number 1. TRAC Seats Husqvarna MZ Series Kit. Upgrade your Husqvarna MZ zero-turn mower with our suspension kit. It provides a smoother, more comfortable ride. It mounts easily between your seat and sliding rails. You may need spacers depending on your model. Always measure before purchasing to ensure it fits your mower. Contact us if you have questions. It offers adjustable weight and ride control for a customized experience. It supports up to 275 pounds. Enjoy peace of mind with our 1-year warranty. It's proudly made in the USA. Experience a significant improvement in comfort while operating your mower. Say goodbye to bumps and jolts. What we like. This suspension kit is specifically designed for Husqvarna MZ Series zero-turn mowers. If you need a quick solution for a more comfortable ride and own a Husqvarna MZ model, this is the perfect choice. Same-day shipping ensures you get back to mowing quickly. What people say. This fit my Husqvarna MZ54 perfectly. The only alterations I needed to make were adding in stacks of washers to allow a half-inch clearance for the seat safety switch between the bottom of the seat and top of the product. I did find out that I could have saved myself so much time by leaving the sliding rails attached to the mower. The bonus in doing so is you won't need to move the sliding seat control lever to the opposite side, as this will give enough clearance for the TRAC system to move up and down. Even by adding a half-inch with the washers, the bolts that were included with the TRAC system were long enough to avoid any trips to the hardware store. I had plenty of wire length when rerouting safety switch through the pre-cut hole on the top of the TRAC seat. The seat is comfortable and I don't have the lower kidney beating pains when hitting rough terrain and mole tracks. The installation was very easy. The improvement in the ride. If you are looking to save your back, don't hesitate to purchase this product as it works better than I expected. First. The product is good and should smooth out the ride over rough areas of my lawn. First, remove the seat and slide rails exactly as the instructions say, but don't throw away any hardware. After this, do everything exactly backwards from the instructions. Install the rails back on the mower first, but do switch their sides as the instructions say. Then mount the suspension mechanism to the mounting rails. Doing it this way makes it much easier to reconnect the seat switch. Once mounted, route the seat switch cable through the mechanism, making sure it won't pinch anywhere and reconnect it to the seat. Then you can mount the seat shell to the mechanism. Reuse any spacers the original setup had. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.